warm greetings. I extend my warm welcome to each and everyone present here in this evening. This moment is special for us, and we all are gathered today to make it memorable. The meeting is called to order. Both with the dignitaries on and after the dais, and the audience is a moment of joy and pleasure for us. To welcome them in our own distinct way, I may kindly request the President of MMBA, Senior Advocate Mrs. N. Krishnaveni, to welcome the gathering.
Honorable Mr. Justice Amreshwar Pratap Sahi, Chief Justice, Madras High Court. Honorable Mr. Justice M. Doraiswamy, Administrative Judge. Honorable Justice T. Raja. Honorable Justice Pushpa Satyanarayana. Honorable Justice R. Subramaniam. Honorable Justice Pukhirendi. Mr. K. S. Doraipandi, President MBHAA. Mr. Mahendrapadi, Secretary of MBHAA. J. Anandavalli, President of WAA, K.R. Shivashankari, Secretary of WAA, Mr. R. Venkatesan, Secretary of MBA, Senior members of our bar, Mr. R. Srinivasaraghavan, Bar Council member, Mr. Thalemuttarasu, Mr. T.S.R. Venkatrama, past President of our association, Mr. Subhash Babu, Mr. Isaac Mohanlal, Mr. K. Swamidurai, and past secretaries of our association, and heroes of this function, Mr. K. Srinivasan, Mr. Paturajan, Mr. R. Janagramulu, Mr. K. Srikumaran Nair, Mr. V. K. Vijayaraghavan, Mr. M. S. Balasubramaniar, Mr. M. N. Balakrishnan, and other members, print and media, good evening to all. Our forefathers have taught us how to respect elders and to follow their footsteps. Youngsters should know the hard work and dedication put up by the seniors in the profession. These type of functions will not only honor the elders, but also it will encourage and give strength to the juniors. It is our privilege and honor to have this function felicitating our members who have completed 50 years standing in the bar. It is befitting that they are honored by Honorable Chief Justice. The immediate response from Chief Justice to our invitation shows His Lordship's respect towards elders. I thank Honorable Chief Justice for accepting our invitation for this function, and I wholeheartedly welcome Honorable Chief Justice for this function. I welcome the Administrative Judge, Honorable Mr. M. Doraiswamy, for this function. I welcome other judges, Mr. T. Raja, Pushpa Satyanarayana, Mr. R. Subramaniam, and Mr. Pukhirendi for this function. I welcome one and all who are present here for this function and make this function a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, Honorable Chief Justice is humbly requested by MMBA to open the portrait of former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and also to garland the portrait. It's a matter of significance to mention Dr. Abdul Kalam, who signed the warrant of elevation of our Chief Justice as a judge of Allahabad High Court. We thank Honorable Chief Justice for opening the portrait of the statesman who called upon the youth of India to dream a lot and to achieve their goals. To have the Chief Justice of the Chartered High Court in this twilight evening at the MMBA is a momentous occasion, and hence a memento to the Chief Justice would do justice. May I now request our beloved President, Senior Advocate Mrs. N. Krishnaveni, who has a unique record of being the first ever woman president of a non-women bar association in South Asia, to honor Honorable Chief Justice by presenting a memento of the statue of the poet Thiruvalluvar and the English version of the couplet Thirukural. We thank the Chief Justice for his kind gesture. May I now request the young and energetic General Secretary of MMBA, Mr. N. Ilango, to honor Honorable Chief Justice with a traditional shawl. We thank the Chief Justice for his kind gesture. We also thank the President and Secretary of MMBA for the kind gesture. May I now request the General Secretary of MMBA, Mr. N. Ilango, to honor the Administrative Judge of Madurai Bench, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Duraisamy, with a shawl. Madurai is known for dispensation of justice even in ancient times. And as history says, Kannagi was the first ever litigant to seek justice in the court of King Pandyan Nedunchalian by appearing as a party in person on the stanza of one of the 5 epics of Tamil literature called Silappatikaram. It starts with Tera Manna Seppuvadu Udayen, which is nothing but the pleadings which follow in the court of law. In such a city of historical Madurai, which has got a rich legal heritage, many doyens and legal luminaries have served the humanity with impeccable and selfless service. Such leaders of the bar at Madurai have rendered yeoman service to the litigant public. Though MMBA is only 15 years young, we want to honor those eminent lawyers who have completed 50 years of standing in the bar, which is akin to grandchildren celebrating the birth anniversary of their grandparents. Now we request Honorable Mr. Justice Amreshwar Pratap Shahi, the Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to honor the advocates who have been serving the bar for more than 50 years by presenting mementos and adorning shawl. Let us invite the dignitaries one by one. Upon inviting, may I request the dignitaries to come and receive the honor. The first dignitary who is going to receive the honor is a designated senior advocate. He was born on 28/2/1941. He got enrolled in the year 1967. He was under the able guidance of his senior and Honorable Justice V. Ratnam. He started his independent practice in the year 1979 and he was designated as senior advocate in the year 2010. He is none other than Mr. K. Srinivasan, designated senior advocate. The next dignitary who is going to receive the honor was born on 28/10/1938. He got enrolled in the year 1960. He was under the guidance of his senior, Sri S. Narayana Swami Shastri. He has been practicing in the Madurai bench since its inception. He has contributed various articles in the Madras Law Journal and the Law Weekly. He is none other than Advocate Mr. M. S. Balasubramania Iyer. May I request Advocate Mr. M. S. Balasubramania Iyer to receive the honor from the Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court. The next dignitary who is going to receive the honor was born on 30/12/1937. He got enrolled in the year 1965. He is under the able guidance of his senior, Mr. Adithan and S. Tamilarasan. He is too magnanimous to donate a sum of rupees 1 lakh to MMBA, MBHA and MBA District Court, Madurai, and a sum of rupees 50,000 to WAA. He is none other than Mr. Patturajan. May I request Advocate Mr. Patturajan to receive the honor from Honorable Chief Justice. Former mayor. He's also former mayor of Madurai. The next dignitary who is going to receive the honor was born on 13/5/1945. He got enrolled in the year 1968. He was under the guidance of his senior, Mr. K. Vishwanathan. He is none other than Mr. R. Janagi Ramalu. The next dignitary who is going to receive the honor was born on 16/9/1940. He got enrolled in the year 1968. He initially started his practice in District Court, Padmanabhapuram, under the able guidance of his senior advocate, Mr. R. Gopalaswamy Iyengar and Mr. M. Srinivasan. He has a roaring practice in the civil side. He is none other than Mr. Sri Kumaran Nair, former president of MMBA. The next dignitary who is going to receive the honor was born on 10/8/1945. He obtained his law degree in Government Law College, Madras. He was under the guidance of his senior, Mr. A. Nathana Sabhabadi Settyar. He was serving as a government pleader during the year 1968 to 1974. He started his practice at Madurai bench since the inception. He is none other than Mr. N. Balakrishnan. The next dignitary who is going to receive the honor was born on 14/12/1945. He got enrolled in the year 1969. He was a junior under the guidance of Mr. G. Subramaniam from the year 1974. He started his independent practice and he is a senior standing counsel for ASI for the past 10 years. He is none other than Mr. V.K. Vijayaraghavan. MMBA takes immense pleasure and feels proud and privileged to honor the dignitaries who have been the role models for the lawyers and young lawyers in particular. To make the occasion memorable and unforgettable, may I request the Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Administrative Judge, Mr. M. Duraisamy, to take a group photo along with the President, Secretary of MMBA and the heroes of the day. We thank the Honorable Chief Justice for his kind gesture and the eminent lawyers for accepting the honor of MMBA. It's time to compliment and appreciate the eminent lawyers who are honored today. In addition to the presentation of mementos in the form of citations and shawls as a token of our love and salute to the dignitaries, MMBA wishes them to be honored by the felicitation or address of our respectful Chief Guest of the day. May I now request Honorable Mr. Chief Justice Amreshwar Pratap Shahi to offer his felicitation address.
My esteemed colleagues, Brother Duraiswamy, Brother N. Satish Kumar, Brother T. Raja, Sister Pushpa Satyanarayana, Brother Subramaniam, Brother Pugalendi, and all those judges who are not even present, and all those members of the bar who are not present. Today is not only a memorable day for you, because you have really done a great service to the profession by paying a tribute to those who have contributed to law, but it is also a memorable day for me because the bar today gave me the opportunity to pronounce a judgment as to who is an eminent senior advocate. We are therefore paying tribute not only to our elders but also to the eminence that has been displayed by the accomplishments of these peers of the profession who have not only established themselves in practice but have also shown the way to others. In Mahabharata it is said, Mahajano yen gatena sapatah, which means the issue arose when Yudhishthir was facing a problem. When all his brothers were lying dead, he was called upon to answer the questions raised by Yaksh. And Yaksh had asked him, what is the best path in this world? And then he gave this answer, Mahajano yena gatena sapata. The greatest path is that which has been tread by your peers. So you are fortunate enough, members of the bar, to have these people whom we are now paying tribute, not only because of their own accomplishments, but because this entire bar and the entire community has been nurtured with such values that we still continue to respect elders. This establishes that there is no misgiving in our upbringing, and we still continue to respect our elders. In these days, when it is difficult to find values, we, the leaders of the society, the legal profession, the noblest of all professions, has established this tradition and is following this tradition, and I believe it will be followed in future, that those who acquire this status of accomplishment are respected by offering of such tributes time and again. The association and the President deserve congratulations for having organized this function. What lessons are the other members of the bar to take today from this place? You have to visualize the hard labor, the devotion, the wit, the experience, and the vision that these people had, because they, in spite of all difficulties in life, have been able to establish themselves as pioneers in this profession. They have displayed integrity, they have displayed honesty, they have displayed intellectualism, they have displayed some of the finest brains that you are proud to be possessed of, and they have done the utmost which every religion teaches, service to humanity. Their contributions therefore have been rightly rewarded today, and it would have been a misfortune for me had I missed this occasion. I thank you for having invited me, and please remember, it is always said that lawyers fight for causes. That word may not be appropriate. They champion causes. They do not cut forests, and in my opinion, they irrigate deserts. This is the real job that they do. I think that with these ideals and hopes and aspirations, such offerings of tribute will be a source of inspiration for all lawyers in years to come. Thank you very much.
MMBA is extremely obliged for your lordships for the rich felicitations showered on us. We also salute the senior advocates who are honored today for the graceful presence and seek their blessings and to guide us. This function is not a normal function to gather and disperse. In fact, this function is a ceremony which instills the spirit and commitment for which the senior members of the bar stood for over 50 years. Hence, Thanksgiving on this occasion makes a marked difference. The General Secretary of MMBA is a befitting person to propose the thank quote, and no doubt it would be from his heart that represents the minds of MMBA, its members and officers. May I now request General Secretary of MMBA, Mr. N. Ilango, to propose the thank quote.
I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice Ambareshwar Pratap Sahi, Chief Justice of Madras High Court, for his graceful presence and a kind gesture of honoring the senior members of the bar who have completed half a century in this profession. Felicitation address of the Honorable Chief Justice would remain an everlasting impression in the minds of the doyens of the bar who are honored today on this momentous occasion. I, for myself, on behalf of MMBA, wholeheartedly thank Honorable Mr. Justice A.P. Sahi, the Chief Justice, for his graceful presence and felicitation. I thank Honorable Mr. Justice M. Thoraichami, Honorable Mr. Justice T. Raja, Honorable Mr. Justice Pushpa Satyanarayana, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Subramanian, Honorable Mr. Justice N. Sadish Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice B. Puhalendi for their graceful presence in this function. I extend my gratitude to the President of MMBA and all the senior members of the bar for for their support and encouragement. I thank the younger members of the bar who are close to the hearts of one and all in MMBA. I extend my thank note to the large gathering here. I honestly thank Mr. Tali Muttarasu, Bar Council member, MBHA Secretary Mr. Mahendra Badi, WA President Ms. Anandavalli, and Secretary Mr. Shivasangari from the Friendly Bar Association of this bench for their presence and support. Last but not least, in addition to saluting the senior members of the bar, namely Mr. R. Janahiramalu, Mr. M. Patturajan, Mr. K. Sri Kumaran Nair, Mr. V. K. Vijayaraghavan, Mr. K. Srinivasan, Mr. M. S. Balasubramania Iyer, Mr. N. Balakrishnan. In my personal capacity as well as representing the MMBA, thank each of them for accepting our invitation and honoring MMBA by receiving the citation. I also thank the media and press. I thank the staff of MMBA for making the function a grand success. Thank you.
Thank the General Secretary for his warm thank note.